welcome you guys. My name is Carolyn from Carolyn Banner, and we are going to jump into a quick 12-minute HIIT. So what we're going to be doing, and that's high intensity interval training, if you're not familiar with the term, we're going to be doing 4 rounds of 4 different exercises for 45 seconds each. Lots of 4s. So we're going to be doing rest-based training style, and what that means is we're going to push as hard as we can until we need to rest, and then we're going to rest just enough until we can push hard again. There's no structured rest during the whole workout. It's going to be 45-second intervals right after another. So I'm going to rest when I need to, and you need to follow along and rest when you need to. Not necessarily when I rest. You might need to rest more often or less often, but just really try and push hard when you're going. Don't pace yourself, and then rest when you need to. Sometimes that means that you just rest for a complete interval, 45 seconds. If that is what you need to push hard the next time, do it. All right? I'm going to include some variations. So I'm going to show you the hardest versions of the first round for the 4 exercises, and then the second round I'm going to show you some ways to modify it and maybe make it a little less intense if it's too much for you. So try the full versions if you can, and then if you need to, we're going to modify the second round. Okay, got my timer set here for 45-second intervals. We're getting started with plank jacks, so let's make sure this isn't too close to the wall. And this is an early morning workout. We haven't gotten to school yet, so my son is here watching some cartoons if you hear that in the background. All right, we're going to do plank jacks, 5 on high planks, 5 on low planks. Let's set up. I'm going to start my timer. Here we go. Okay, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk the elbows down. We're going to do 5 on low planks. 4, 5. Walk it up. We're going to try and alternate which hand goes down and up first. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk it up. And try and move as quickly as you can when you're working. Awesome. Oh, try to remember to switch up which one goes up first. With my hands. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to be talking as much during this video. Awesome, that one's done. Okay, ninja jumps are next. We're going to come into kneeling. I like to have my toes tucked. You can try and have your feet flat. For me, that's too challenging, so I need to have my toes tucked. I'm going to show you a slower version and then the full version. So you're going to roll up and jump it up. These are pretty intense. Slowly lower down. Jump it up. Good. Big work on those calves especially, and the core to get you up. You might feel like you're going to fall forward. So if you need to, you can kind of take it a little slower. Big work on those legs. Awesome. I'm glad those are done already. Okay, I'm going to come off my mat here for low lunge kicksters. These are a jiu-jitsu move I love. I'm not a jiu-jitsu person, but one of the trainers I used to work with used to do this. So kick the leg through, jump switch into a low lunge, kick the leg through, shoot it back, jump switch. So I'm pivoting on my arm, bring it through, jump switch, take it slow at first. If you're not sure what you're doing, to make it make sense for your body. I'm going to show you options next time, so just do your best. Try and follow me, and then I'll show you options to do a little bit easier next time. Cool. Okay, last movement will be, you should be getting breathless, a triple pulse jump lunge. So down for 3, 2, 3, switch it up, 1, 2, 3, and switch. Good, try and drop that back knee straight down. Big jump switch. 1, 2, 3. These are going to get your legs burning in no time. So this first round, you might not need to rest very much. I need to rest for a second because my legs are super sore. I did sprints and heavy legs yesterday. All right, 1 round down. We got 3 to go. We're going to start right back up with plank jacks. If you need a rest, though, take some rest. I'm going to show you some variations. Okay, Ellie. Just a second. Okay, so for plank jacks, you can step out and step back in with control in the abs. if that makes it easier for you. Please be quiet, Odie. Good, so stepping out, alternating, and then walk the elbows down, and do the same thing. So alternating which ones you step out. So I think the best way is to get them both out and both back in. And then walk it back up. If you need to, you can put the knees down for those transitions to make it a bit easier, okay? Ninja jumps. There's a couple options for this. You can walk one knee up, and then the other, and then jump, and then walk it down one at a time. That's the easier option. So step up, squat, and then jump from there, and walk it down. So alternate which one comes up first. Second, jump it up. Other option is just to do straight jump squats. So jump back, or sit back, jump up. That'll get your heart rate up really quickly if the ninja jumps are too much for you. But again, do one, and then the other, and then jump it up. Try that one. Okay, low lunge kick throughs. So you're going to be in a low lunge here with the hands down, and you can take out the reach through. So the full version has the leg coming through. What you can do instead is just walk, switch, get that low lunge, walk, switch, or you can jump it, switch, switch. That's going to work the abs and get the heart rate up. So just taking out the kick through if you need to on these. The kick through is really great though for the inner thighs and the core. So if you can, try and work on that. Also really opens up your hips. Cool. Last one for this round. We're going to show you modification for those jump lunges. You're still going to pulse down, 1, 2, 3, and then you're just going to walk, switch. The jump is too much. Pulse 1, 2, 3, step, switch. Good. And from here, you want to go as quickly as you can if you're not doing the jump switch. So big, quick step, change, pulse it down, step change, pulse it down. Good. So you want to do your best to get your heart rate up so that you're pushing to your max. Okay, we're almost halfway through. We're halfway through, you guys. I'm going to grab a quick sip of water. So anytime you need to, take a quick rest. There's no structured rest in this workout. So you follow rest-based training, and rest when you need to, push as hard as you can when you're working. Okay, I'm going to show you full versions again. Awesome. It's really hard to keep those hips from getting too high up, especially on those low plank jacks. Awesome. Ninja jumps. So I'm also talking quite a bit, and you should not be able to really talk much, you guys. If you're pushing hard enough, you should be breathless and not talking. I just have to talk to you guys to tell you what's going on. So if you can push faster than me and get more reps in, go for it. This is just 12 minutes, and it should be really, really intense. That's Ollie's cheering us on. Right, Ollie? You cheering us on? What? You cheering us on? Awesome. Next up, we got those low lunge kick throughs. Get my mat out of the way. You don't want to have the mat tripping you up on these. Okay. Pivot through, back, jump switch, through, back, jump switch. Legs straight as you kick it through. Shoot back. These are tough because you're really moving through a small space here. That's why the other option is available to you if it's too hard to get that leg through. Takes a pretty good amount of hip openness to get that, and core control to get that leg through. So those are tough, but try them if you can. Holy moly. I'm sweating a lot. We're almost done with our third round. Okay, triple pulse, lunge jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Try and use those arms to help you switch. Good job, guys. Good. Oh my goodness. These are tough. It's like, why did I include these? We got it. Awesome. One more round down. Let me clear that really quickly. Grab some water. Always watching Nature Cat. I know that's a favorite of some of the other mama's kiddos up there. Here we go for 5. Down. Up. Dig them out, guys. It's the last time on these. I'm really sweating. Oh, thank goodness. Ninja jumps. Okay, last time through on these. It's our last round, you guys, will be done. Oh my god. The first one is always a little bit like, can my body really do this? It can, most likely. It just takes a bit of trying, maybe falling a couple times. You're not going to hurt yourself falling this low to the ground. You just maybe will like topple over. I know it's hard to get your balance. Use that core and drive with the hips up, making like our whole floor shake. So again, if you're just jumping in, there's a modification on the second round that I show you for those. Okay, low lunge kick throughs. So go back later maybe and check those modifications out. I always want to encourage you to do the most challenging version for you. Make it really count. Just got about a minute or so to go. Almost done with this workout, you guys. We can do it. Holy cow. Okay, last 25 seconds. Triple pulse, lunge jump. Bring it down. Jump switch. Jump switch. I'm dripping sweat. Hopefully you are too. Oh. Whew. So rest. Take quick rest whenever you need it. I've been pacing a bit more because I've been talking. So I haven't had to take as much rest. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Can do it. My legs are burning. Yes. Awesome. Cool. So 12 minutes and we're done. Awesome job, you guys. Thank you for joining me for this live HIIT sweaty workout. I'm not looking too pretty right now. But you're not supposed to. If you were working hard, you shouldn't be looking super pretty. You should be dripping with sweat and making every second, every minute count of your workout. So awesome job, you guys. I gotta run, take my son to school. I hope you like this workout and let me know when you try it what you think. Ciao.